Hi guys, it's me. You'll notice the background's a little different. I'm at home right now, but I want to talk to you about our personal narrative lessons. We talked last week about the elements of a personal narrative. We read a personal narrative about the family's trip to Mexico City. Now we're going to brainstorm our own ideas. So you can see this graphic organizer that says My Topic Ideas on your screen. We're going to brainstorm some topic ideas. The prompt we're going to use is here in the corner. Tell about a goal you met or something you achieved in the last year. Explain why you set out to do this and tell the story of working towards it and achieving it. Now, because of Corona, we might need to stretch this to the last year and a half or 2 years because none of us have done much of anything in the last 6 months. So we're going to come up with some ideas that we might write about. Now, I'm going to brainstorm some ideas of my own as an example for you. And for your homework today, you are going to have a blank graphic organizer and you're going to come up with some ideas that you could write about. Then you're going to pick one that's your favorite. We're going to color that one yellow. So I'm going to start. When I was a kid, I think that I had some trouble in one of my classes that I wasn't really very good at. History was not something I did very well at. And so one of my goals was to get a B in history, my most difficult subject. Now, obviously, this wasn't last year, but I'm kind of thinking like a kid right now. Another idea I could write about, or had to set a goal, was saving up for my own boombox. Your parents will know what that is. They were really cool. So you might be saving for a video game you want to buy or for the new PS5 that's coming out. Or maybe if you're a girl, you're saving up for an American Girl doll or something else that's pretty expensive. Mine was a boombox. Another idea I might write about is completing my sticker collection. I had an amazing sticker collection. I had like 2 or 3 binders worth. So my goal was to grow my sticker collection to 5 binders. Maybe you had a goal to be able to flip a bottle 10 times in a row. Or like Dude Perfect, you were flipping bottles on top of the table or on top of a bookshelf. That could be your goal. I wasn't very good at sports, but I was on the track team in high school. So I wanted to win a track race. I jumped hurdles for 1 year, and I think I was on a relay. Again, I wasn't very good, but I also didn't try as hard as I could have tried. So one of my goals was to win a track race. The last goal that I had for myself was to win the school reading challenge. We had a reading challenge at my school through our library, and my goal was to win that because I didn't have very many trophies, and I thought that's something that I might be able to do well. So I have 5 ideas here that I might be able to tell a personal narrative on. Remember, I have to be able to remember what people said for some dialogue, how I thought or felt about the situation, and be able to describe with some pretty good detail the setting of my story. So if I think about it, which of these ideas might be easier for me to write about? I think I might have the most information and have a rich story on this one, the school reading challenge. So since that's the one I'm going to choose, I'm going to highlight this one and I'm going to turn those words, try it again, yellow. So now I can tell that I choose to write my school reading challenge. These other ideas are good and I may use them another time, but for this assignment, I'm going to use the school reading challenge. Your assignment on your next task, you'll get a graphic organizer just like this, and I want you to fill in the 5 boxes of ideas you could tell me about. It could be anything that you've set a goal for. Remember the topic, something you have set a goal for that you have achieved. Explain why you set out to do it and tell the story of working towards achieving it. Your topic is something you have set a goal to do and that you worked for. If you have any questions, send me a message. Have a great day.